How to fix Airbnb two-factor authentication problem. To fix the Airbnb two-factor authentication problems, you have to use your backup security codes if you have lost access to your device, or select try another way to receive a verification code via email. So first of all, go ahead and launch the application. Once you're here in the login window, all you have to do is simply tap the Try Another Way on the 2FA screen. Then click the Try Another Way link. The platform will look for alternative linked methods, such as prompting an email code delivery or a push notification to a trusted device. And you can also use these codes to log in. Or what you can also do is resolve the SMS carrier delivery blocks. If you choose SMS-based text messages authentication and the code never arrives, the network path is likely throttled or blocked. So what you want to do is, first of all, ensure that you have turned off your VPN and check the sort code blocks. Contact your cellular service provider to ensure your mobile account does not have an active block against short code text numbers. And what you can also do is simply swipe downwards from your screen to enable the airplane mode for 15 seconds to 10 seconds. Once you turn this on, all you have to do is now turn it off to reestablish a fresh connection to your nearest cellular tower. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.